Hey, how are you? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, I have a couple of other cornbread recipes, but today I'm doing something a little different with cornmeal. It's kind of I don't know, it's cornmeal and orange juice, and it's amazing. I hope you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. Let's get started. So what's the first thing that we need to do that I always forget to tell you guys about? Yes, preheat the oven. This time we're setting it to 375 degrees. Okay, so let's do the dry ingredients first. Totally easy. Going to put into another bowl the flour, cornmeal, baking powder, salt, and the zest, the orange zest. Not the rind, that is bitter, not cool. All right, then I'm just going to whisk this up very roughly. Done. Let's move on to the wet. Into a bowl, you're going to add the oil, the olive oil, put that in there. The sugar, and the orange juice. To those, you're now going to add in the eggs. Nice. No shell. And whisk these up. Once those are all combined, we're gonna add the flour. That's it, dump it in and mix just until incorporated. Into an 8-inch pan. I've already greased it. You can also line it with parchment paper to ensure it comes out very easily. Pour this in. Okay, we're done. Yes, yes. All right, so like I said, oven is set to 375 degrees. That is going to go in there for about 25 to 30 minutes, 35. Just keep an eye on it. Oh, it is so light. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, this is a favorite of mine now. That's so good. Woo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Alright guys, I hope you're continuing to stay safe and stay positive. I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye!